Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 28th through October 10th. October 28th to October 2nd. Models in a fair agreement depicting a trough in the west and a ridge with above normal heights in the east. And you look at the models here, you can see the models in good agreement. What you see here is Maria. Coming to the second, we see very little change in the circulation, perhaps maybe a little bit of flattening of the flow. Rain is forecast for the southern Rockies, southern Florida, the Great Lakes, Northeast, and the Mid-Atlantic. Above normal temperatures forecast for the east, below normal temperatures are forecast from the Rockies into the plains. October 1st to the 5th. Here we are at the 3rd. A nearly flat flow is forecast across the nation with near to above normal heights. You see what it looks like right here. And we look at the rest of the models, they're in good agreement. The European ensembles depicts a weak trough in the east. Let's see if I can get, here's the European ensembles. A little bit of a dip here, area below normal heights here in the east. So during this forecast period, forecasting near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal, with the 12 degrees anomalies forecast in the west. For precipitation, call for below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation forecast for the east coast. October 5th to the 10th. Models are forecasting a zone of flow across the nation with near to above normal heights. You can see right here. You go to the models, you come to the end of the period, see very little change, a little bit of a trough starting building there. That'll be later in the period. And we take a look at the rest of the models. You can see near to above normal heights, zone of flow. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting a little change in temperature anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal heights anomalies here. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this region, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for the southeast and the lower mid-Atlantic. Now regarding Maria, the models are in good agreement. You see, you come here, all the models bring it up fairly close to the east coast and then northeastward out. This is Maria, that's Lee, and then that's the GFS, and now we look at the European, brings it very close to Hatteras, North Carolina, and then directly east-northeastward out to sea. So the models are good agreement on that. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 28th through October 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.